or studying to be some desperate prince's lonely wife. Wanna lock me away? Well, by all means have your fun with that, but I will be the author